has arrived.
Introducing the challenger from Washington, D.C., weighing in at 290 pounds, the Animal Batista!
It's Mr. Money in the Bank.
And introducing the champion from Atlanta, Georgia, weighing in at 270 pounds. He is the NXT champion, Goldberg!
Of course, the title is on the line in this one, guys. You must keep your opponent down long enough to be able to get a table. It doesn't matter how the table is set up. You just have to put your opponents through it.
It's about doing whatever it takes, upping the ante in a chaotic environment, because it could be the mayhem that saves you.
One move is all it takes to be the difference between putting your opponent through a table and being the one taking that painful ride through solid wood and metal.
Goldberg is ruling over the competition now.
Goldberg's going to break someone in half.
Oh, what a punch. What are they going to do outside here? Snake eyes! Turn out the lights. The party's over. Boom! Running STO plants him.
Nicely done.
The challenger eating up some damage.
Yeah, he barely grew fast before someone uses this moment to send him smashing through a table.
What's the best piece of advice you could offer to someone in a tables match?
Pick your openings carefully. If your attempt to put an opponent through a table is too risky or elaborate, they could go for a counter and steal victory right out from under you. And it is clear the mission now is to destroy and incapacitate.
This is just getting uncomfortable at this point. This is getting more and more alarming with each uninterrupted attack. This has to be stopped. The cumulative damage here is going to have long-term effects.
And he has answers for Batista.
Stirring back to his feet, but he might not know where he is.
He's one step ahead there.
And Batista needed that badly. Time now for Batista to get his energy up and claw back into the fight.
He is delivering elbow after elbow.
What a clothesline! Ouch! Batista's being picked apart here.
Batista looks to have been well scouted.
Double axe handle.
Steel stairs to the face. Getting crushed inside. And each of these lethal maneuvers have got to be taking a toll.
A steel chair? Something we all know can be a devastating weapon.
Oh my God, a steel chair! Being put into a perilous position here after each of these vicious attacks.
And it is getting downright nastier and nastier with each of these attacks. And things are just going from bad to worse. And it is clear the mission now is to destroy and incapacitate.
Oh my God! This is not count a competitor out, but there seems to be no signs of defense right now. Death to the kidneys!
This is just getting uncomfortable at this point. This is getting more and more alarming with each uninterrupted attack.
He's going for it all. From the top!
All the way to the outside. Showing absolutely no apprehension to putting one's body on the line.
This isn't the smartest thing to do, antagonizing your opponent instead of attacking him.
Oh boy, he's stalking him, watching for an opening.
Ouch!
And just check out the face of Batista after that.
The offense from Goldberg might be too overwhelming.
And Goldberg going like this, all you can do is run for cover.
The Hall of Famer with a spear. Getting up, but doesn't have a clue what's coming at him.
Goldberg sees the finish line. This'll do it. Up and
Jackhammer!
A championship level move.
Stop gloating and put your attention back to the match. He gets back into the ring. Moves outside. What's the plan here? Outside the ring now. He has no need to rush. Back into the ring. And now there's an opening.
Into the table.
And now Batista's being dismantled.
Things can get grim in a hurry if Batista doesn't turn this around.
Snap power slam.
And his eyes are piercing through the opposition now.
Has him up in a fireman's carry. Oh, no. Oh, no. And Goldberg remains champion.
Let's look back on the action from the last match.
Here is your winner, and still the NXT champion,